flight 7 cleared for the approach into Orlando. Flight crew, please be safe for arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, JetBlue Airways welcomes you to Orlando, Florida, where the local time is about 12 to 11. Please keep your seatbelts fastened, carry on items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. If this is your final destination on JetBlue, your baggage may be claimed at Carousel A, that's side A, Carousel 10, side A10. If you have a bag tag receipt that says claim at gate, you may claim those items outside the front aircraft door. For those customers needing special assistance deplaning the aircraft, specifically if you're in need of a wheelchair, please remain comfortably seated once we arrive at the gate. Allow the others to deplane, and the chairs usually come at the end. At this time, you're welcome to use your cell phone if they are readily accessible. And if you are connecting to another JetBlue flight and would like to check on its status, you may visit jetblue.com from your mobile device. TrueBlue JetBlue's rewards program allows members to earn reward flights fast and book any seat anytime with no blackout dates on JetBlue flights. To join, visit jetblue.com. On behalf of all of us at JetBlue Airways, we want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a very happy holiday. And thank you for joining us today. I hope everyone has a good time in Orlando, and we hope that you'll fly with us again soon. And one special note, good luck to the Fighting Irish.